And
Okay, so today we continue with array. So supposedly we continue with array 2D. However, since there will be hot and this Thursday and there are one thing that we didn't cover yet. Although some of you already going through by yourself, and but we haven't covered actually the part where we pass parameter. The parameter is an array. Okay, passing array as a parameter. So we haven't covered this yet, and so today we are going to discuss about it because clearly during the hot nanti there will be this question, and so make sure you really understand the concept of passing parameter using array. But before that, so let's look at this program first. Okay, look at this first. Okay, okay, boleh? You understand this code, class? So very simple. So we have two array over here. First is integer array and predefine the elements. So we have 5 elements. The size is 5, and all the 5 elements already predefined during declaration. So these are the 5 elements. So user doesn't have to enter anything. The value already given. And we have the second array, which is array of string. Okay, consists of 2 names. Okay, 2 names, and each name's maximum length is 10. So we have 2 Ali and Abu also predefined during the declaration. Okay, so this program is to calculate the sum. Okay, the sum of all the balance. Okay, these are the balance elements, and we calculate the sum. Okay, I think no need to explain this. So why this is 0, why this is less than 5, why this is I plus plus. Everyone get this already? Any problem with this? Any question? Why this is 0, this is less than 5? Any question why? If no question, let me ask you why. Okay, can Amar Razin, Amar Razin,
yes, sir.
can you tell us why this is 0? Why this is less than 5?
Because the array start with 0, sir.
Okay. And then this is less than 5 because
Sebab array dia 0 until 5 and until 4.
okay, because the array size is 5, and so the maximum of index is 4. So it should less than 5. Okay, excluded 5. Maximum is 4. Okay, correct. So this is to access all the elements of array balance. So when I 0, it will access balance 0. Then when I plus plus, I become 1, it will access balance 1, and so on. So this is to calculate sum, and this is short form for sum equal to sum plus balance. And then after getting the value of sum, we calculate the average, and finally over here. So this is just to show you the address for name. Okay, if you print %d, you will get the address of the starting address of variable array name. Sorry. Okay, so we have two elements then of array name. So the first address start with this one. Okay. And then we have the value of average. And we have the first value of name, which is Ali. Okay, so before we proceed with the function, so I would like one of you to modify this so that we can get this program will display all the value of array name. So this is only one end. So print all the value of name. This one we print only one, Ali. But there's two over here, Ali and Abu. So how do we print Ali and Abu? Okay, one of you, so I will share this link. Not everyone have to enter this link, only the person that I call, otherwise it won't be enough, There's a limit for repeat, Okay. So let's have siapa saya tak pernah panggil let's have tak payah live kan. Yang penting ni Amirul Aidil. Amirul Aidil. Amirul Aidil?
Hello? Hello?
Okay. Alright. Okay, boleh Amirul Aidil enter the repeat.
Boleh ke?
Share your screen. Try
Okay.
Okay, share your screen
Um, uh, uh,
Okay, correct. Okay, thank you Amirul Aidil. Okay, thank you. Yang tadi the rest nampak tak? The rest nampak tak tadi? Do you guys see Amirul Aidil screen?
Nampak.
Yes, nampak.
Saya nampak Okay. Alright, okay. Okay, correct. However, this is can be further simplified using looping Okay, so let's have one more person to simplify this code by using looping. Looping guna looping. Untuk for printing the name tadi tu Aisyah boleh? Aisyah. Aisyah Kumaira?
Sekejap.
Share your screen Oh, pakai phone
Sebab laptop saya jam. Dia kalau dia lambat sangat.
boleh lah. Boleh nak type macam mana ni?
Nampak kan? Saya tak tahu macam mana nak buat.
Tak tahu macam nak buat. Tak ada idea? No idea? Betul ke? Tak tahu langsung? Sikit-sikit je, sikit-sikit. Ingat tak? If we have array kan, array always comes pair dengan apa? Dengan what type of loop?
4.
4 lah. Okay, so you have to make the for loop.
Okay. Kat sini
Dekat dalam lah. Dekat supposed to be before printf name lah. Because the printf name should be inside the for. Kan? Okay. Right. I equal to array start with 0. Okay, correct. Okay. And then semicolon. Don't forget.
Ya. Mana ni? Macam boleh? So ada sini. Oh ni.
Tu.
Lah. Ada dua je.
I less than. Okay, betul. Less than 0, 1. Okay.
So
Okay.
Was.
Alright.
Hmm.
Okay. 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 Alright. So inside the body,
Inside the body. Some plus tu ke? Ke tak? Name
ada no calculation kan?
tak ada.
Nak print je kan? Print je lah. Copy je. You can copy the printf name tu. Okay, copy one, put it inside. Cut.
Tak tahu macam mana.
Nak copy tak boleh? Highlight je lah dia punya statement tu, printf tu. Dia kan, tekan lama-lama kat situ. Printf.
Dah mana jauh dah.
Lepas tu, tak keluar tu. Tu ada titik-titik 3 tu. Tekan, keluar apa?
Tak ada. Copy cut.
Tu. Tekan. Copy kat. Nak keluar? Tahu biasa buat lah. Biasa buat kan awak beritahu nak buat apa.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so ni Aisyah ni Okay, so we transfer this to the 4 body. And then what? Okay, what to do? Next. Refer to this. This will help you. This one, same thing. So what we need to do with this?
Tutup.
Tutup apa?
Bracket. Yang lagi satu.
Ni?
Ke.
Okay. Now this statement, what should we do with this statement? Yeah, we have the looping already. So how to utilize this looping so that you can come up with this one? Similar like this.
Name.
Okay, name.
Ikut plus.
Name plus. Ni ke? No calculation. This is to print only. So how to print all the name without repeating the statement? So we remove the repeated statement lah. Okay. And then what? We want to print I0, I1.
Tukar jadi I.
Yang mana? Sorry? Change what?
0 tukar kepada I.
Kan? That's it. Simple kan? That's all kan? So this will repeat and change based on the variable I. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So we have the looping already. So next is we want to create a function. A function to calculate the average. Okay, not only to calculate the average but to calculate the sum as well. So this statement we want to transfer to a function. Okay, a function called. Okay, this one you need to recall back how to create a function. First we assume it as a void. Function to calculate average. Okay, so what's inside of it is this statement over here. Okay, so we cut it. Remember kan, when we cut this and then we replace with what class? Remember not? Okay, cut, replace with function. Function what?
Call.
Function call. Okay, calculate average. Calculate average. Okay, function call. And this one we paste it over here kan. Okay. So next step is what class? Function. Next step for function is this is a function call. Next step is what? Determine the void or non-void kan. Okay. So this is clearly non-void kan, because we need to refer to the function call and then look at below kan. Is there any value that generated over here that required below here, below the function call? So we need below function call, we need value average from here. So this is average, so we need to return the value of average. Okay. So average is originally is a double kan. Double is similar with float lah. However, it is it have much longer floating point value. Okay. So this is double average okay, double average. We need to return average. So automatically this will become what?
Double.
Is it remain as a void or need to change? Okay, double Okay, so next step is to determine the parameter kan. Parameter or without parameter. So for that, look at the function call, look above. Okay, is there any value from above that we want to transfer to function calculate average? What are the value that we need to transfer class to function calculate average? First, the value of what value we need to transfer from above function call to function calculate average? What value? Inilah. Arif Hakimi. Arif Hakimi. Ni tak pernah jawab saya tanya ni.
Yes,
Arif Hakimi. Okay, so what value that we need to transfer from above function call to function calculate average? Give me one. From above function call to function calculate average. Is there any value? Senyap pula dia ni. Arif, why you mute? I'm asking you, Arif. Janganlah mute. What are the value? Give me one value that you want to transfer from above function call to function calculate average, Arif. Bahasa dia. Give me one value.
6.
Huh?
6.
6. Wrong. Where do you get that value? Daniel Mustafa. Daniel Mustafa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give me one. Is there any value that you want to transfer from above function call?
Average.
Average. You want to transfer average? Wrong.
Bisa
Average
tengok
no
bawah?
value Why we need to transfer?
Tengok bawah je.
Tengok bawah. Okay.
Berapa?
Average is generated by the calculate average. So we
Oh.
doesn't have to transfer from above to this. No, no need kan? I forget one thing This one return average returned over here. So over here should receive first average. Okay. Apa tadi? Ada jawapan lain Daniel? Any other answer?
Nak
Sum.
bawa daripada
Okay.
main ke bawah. Sum.
Yeah. Sum Okay, correct. Because we need to calculate sum kan over here. So sum equal to sum plus balance I. So the value of the first sum is 0 kan. So we need to transfer sum over here. Okay. Any other value?
Balance.
Balance. Correct. Okay. So we need to transfer balance over here. Lagi? Any other value? I no need.
Oh, tak payah?
I no value No value. No value, no need to transfer.
Tu je lah.
Okay, tu je. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you Okay, so sum. Sum is a normal variable. So you may transfer it normally, okay? So transfer sum over here. Okay, passing sum as a parameter. So over here it will receive. So sum is integer. So this one also integer integer sum. Okay. But for balance, okay, balance is type of array. So you cannot simply you cannot simply passing balance like this so you cannot simply passing balance like this. This is what we are going our objective for today learning how to transfer array using parameter correctly. So there are more than one way to do this. Okay, the one that I'm showing you is the easiest one and less confused Okay, so first to transfer an array, you must first transfer the size first. Okay, the size of the array. So in this case, what is the size of the array class? The size of balance is what?
5.
5. So just put 5. If it is a fixed value If this is, for example, size size. So what we transfer over here?
Size.
We transfer size. Okay. But this case it is a constant value Constant value is a fixed value 5 5 value. So just put a 5 over here. So what will this receive over here? Okay, at the end of inside of the function calculate average. So what should it receive over here, class?
5.
You cannot put 5. You cannot put 5. This is wrong. Okay.
Kurungan
5
5.
cannot receive 5.
Balance kurungan 5.
Sorry? No. Okay. We haven't covered this yet. We just focus on this. The size first. Okay. The size is 5. So 5 cannot be received by 5 because 5 is a value. A value cannot store a value. What can store a value, class?
Array.
I.
Variable lah. Variable, okay? Only variable can store a value. So 5 cannot store 5, so we need to put one variable over here that can store the value passed by the function call. So function call passing 5. This should be received by any variable. Okay, for example, let's say variable size. Okay, so now variable size will have the value of 5. Okay, clear? So this should be integer lah. This should follow this. Okay, if we pass integer, this one should be integer. If we pass a float, this should be float. Alright, understand? Okay, so the size first. Then we transfer the array. Okay, transfer array. This one should also receive by array. So this array is integer kan? So just follow the original type. So integer, balance, and this is first time used in calculate average. So you need to declare kan? Declare array is some like this kan? And what is the size, class? Should we put 5?
No.
So what should we put over here?
Size.
Size. Okay, that's the reason why we need to transfer the size. So that when we declare it, declare the array inside of the function definition. Okay, this is the declaration now kan? Declaration because it is first time used in this function. So that we have the size similar with the original array. Okay. So now we have balance with the size of 5. The size is 5 over here. Okay, because we have this value transfer from here. You understand, class? Understand or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So next, we'll declare integer. The next is function prototype. Function prototype, just copy this. Same thing. Okay, but the difference is, okay, you may delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. As long as there's no error, you may put it like this. No error. Okay, no error, then it is good. Okay. Okay, just follow from previous function prototype rules how to do it kan. So we just put the type only. Okay, but this cannot put okay, let's say we put type only. Again, let's test kan. If no problem, then it's okay. Okay, so no problem kan. So it is acceptable. So acceptable this one. Okay, acceptable. Okay, so this is how you passing parameter using numeric array. Ni numeric numeric array balance. So same goes to float, double, and integer. Okay, same way how to passing the parameter. But but if the array is string array, so how do you want to do it? So for this, we are going to create a function to print. This is to print normally when it is involving string normally we want to print print name. Okay, print name. Right. So the content, the function definition contains of this statement over here. To print. So oh, kejap. Wait So this is not finished yet So this one is supposed to be not 5 lah kan. So this follow this size lah. Size So this is size. This is also size kan. So it will be accurate lah. If we change this value over here, let's say we change to 6 kan. So this will automatically follows. Okay. Not 5 anymore. Okay. It is size. Okay, next prename. Okay, prename is this statement over here. Okay, we want to cut it and replace with function call. Okay, and paste this over here. Okay, so next, to determine whether it is void or non-void. Void or non-void kan. So look at the function call, look below, nothing kan. So nothing to return, it remain as a void. Okay, to determine whether it is parameter or without parameter, we look at above. Okay, so what we need to pass from above to function prename? What we need to pass, class?
Name.
We need to pass name kan, because we want to print the name inside of function prename kan. Okay, so what we need to pass is, okay, you cannot simply passing name lah. If you do like this, and then it's wrong kan, unless you do some other way lah. So first, okay, same as calculate average So we need to pass the size first. Okay, so what is the size that we need to pass, class? Give me the value over here.
2.
Okay, 2. And then
10.
we have two size This is 2D And then
Name.
name kan. Okay, we have the size and then we have the array. Okay, size first and then array. Okay. So same same when it is received, so it is passing, so at the receiving end it must receive. Okay, give me the first variable.
Size.
Type
Integer.
kan. Okay, integer size. So this has two size kan. So let's say size 1. Okay, size 1 we receive 2. And then size 2. Okay, we receive 10. Then we declare name. Okay. Size 1 and size 2. Okay? Okay, so 2 should change to what, class? Size 1 or size 2?
Size 1.
Correct. Size 1. Okay, so now we have it. Okay, so declare this one, DCI, and copy. Alright, copy and paste it over here. So let's say we remove this let's see. If okay, then okay. If cannot, then we need to find other way. Okay. Okay, error. Okay, you see error, array has incomplete element type. Okay, so clearly you cannot declare like this. So to avoid headache, so just copy and paste it as it is. If it is involving array parameter. Okay. Okay, copy without touching anything. Okay, if it is involving array. If you got array, if you got error, okay, for the prototype function declaration, so just leave it as it is. Understand, class? Any question? Okay, any question regarding the parameter passing? Yep. No question, eh? Okay, if no question, so I want to give you one question. So this is previous hot question. Okay, so our question is not quite far from something like this. Okay, every semester supposedly the what the structure is pretty much similar. So this is I will give you this. Okay, try to submit it by today. So we are going to discuss this during our lab. Okay, so I need you to do this and submit it over here. Okay, this is for 2B, 2C, and then this is for 2A. 2A, since you have already submitted the first exercise lab end. So submit over here. Okay, and for 2A, you may refer to the recording from section 2B and 2C later on, because we don't have any session for you, kan? So this is to prepare you for the upcoming hot 2. Boleh kelas, Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Boleh, sir.
Alright. Okay, so any last question? No? Okay, if no, then you may proceed with the exercise. Okay, see you soon. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Salam.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sir,
Yep.
untuk yang tadi tu, yang apa yang panggil atas tu prototype
Prototype
Kan,
Ya.
Dia sebenarnya rasanya lah dia boleh buat macam ni. Dia boleh buat macam tu.
Mana? Awak share ke?
Tak, saya tulis dalam replik. Tak tahu lah dia dah
Replik.
replik ke belum.
Boleh juga. Boleh juga. Tapi saya takut ada yang confuse.
Okay.
Boleh. Tak ada masalah. As long as no error, then boleh guna.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you sir.
Okay.
Sure.